Hi, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use an application called SchoolAI, and specifically in SchoolAI, what they call Spaces. So Spaces is a place where students can go and they interact with artificial intelligence in a kind of like a chat room, educational chat room, of course. And the space and the AI will walk them through learning content or a process, and then the teacher has full access to see how the student interacts with the AI. And I'll give you a little example of it. So, for two ways to find spaces. You can first go to schoolai.com, and then we can go to spaces. You can discover a space. So you can either type in a space that you're looking for or a topic, or you can search by standard. So I'll just I'll do 10th grade, and I'll do Keystone Biology. And you can do whichever strand you want. And then I'm going to click on, you can uncheck these as you wish. Click on Show Results. So there's only two right there. Oh, I'm sorry, there's more than two. So you have these up here and these down below. So I'm just going to use one of these to start. And if this is something, so I go in here, a comprehensive, blah, 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 you can see the standards, and then you can click on Start Preview. So this is where you would see if it's something that you wanted to use with the students, but this is also exactly what the students would see when they launch this space. So you can say, it's going to start off with a question. Did you know that a blue whale is the largest animal on the planet? What do you find most fascinating about biology? So if a student doesn't know anything, they can type in, I'm not sure, can you give me examples? So then a student would have to, interact in a certain way, but I'll just put ecology. And this is a comprehensive overview of biology. You can obviously get more specific if you wanted to go into cells or things like that, but it's going to walk them through. They're going to give questions, then they're going to answer, and they just go back and forth. And as a teacher, you would go into your sessions, and then you can see how the students are interacting with the session. I'm going to go back to a session, and let's say we wanted to go over cells. This is a little bit more specific. And again, you just click on Start Preview. Let's start by comparing two cell types. What do you know about? Okay. I type, I'm not sure about either. Press Enter. And then it's going to kind of break it down for them. It's going to ask them another question, and they just keep going and going and going until they get to the point where the AI's comfortable with the fact that they understand, whatever the standard is that you chose or whatever space you created. You can do this for any subject, any topic, and it's just a nice way for, if you have some high flyers or if you have some kids that need some remediation, you can assign this to them, and it's basically like a teacher sitting with them and talking them through as you're monitoring, and then you can go around and discuss with the kids whatever you need to if you see they're struggling or if they're off task. You can also create your own space. So if I go to Spaces, click on Create, I'm going to click on Create, and you can type in. So let's say I want to do equations. So you would have to actually type something in here for the students to get the AI to prompt them. And if you have any questions about that, I can help you, but it's a little bit longer of a video. But you can add standards same way as we've done before. So maybe I go into 8th grade subject. I'll do math. You can do a strand. So I'll do algebra and functions. You can choose whichever ones you want to be included. Click on the X. Now I have those available to me. You don't have to put anything in here, but you can start your preview, go through it a little bit, see if it's something that you would want to use with your students. Then you could click save and launch. Um, this was very brief, but if you do have any more questions about it, you can always contact me and I would be happy to help.